The first time your big weight becomes useful, no one can pull you.
Moses don't like anybody in his bed.
When you are going to sulk your lover, but he can foresee it. Since you're young, I'll forgive you this time. This dog is so warm, he comforted her because they couldn't go out. A good brother doesn't let his sister have to do anything. Brother goal! No doubt, cats always cheat in every race. You're only 5 pounds, but you have a bodyguard that weighs 120 pounds. Power! Pretend to hug your boyfriend unexpectedly and see his reaction.
Хоть за ножку укусить, да?
As long as you are fast, you can beat an opponent 3 times bigger than you. And these are the dogs and cats who join a never-ending war. No one can understand why.